Now we're going to go over to Hall County, where temps are below freezing and ice is accumulating there as well. Our Doug Turnbull has been in Gainesville for us the last couple of days. And Doug, boy, have the conditions changed where you are. Good morning.
It certainly has. As soon as we stepped outside at about 3 a.m. or so today, we knew it was going to be real here in Gainesville. Our hotel, which is to our left over here, is off of Brownsbridge Road. As you see, one of the power trucks going by behind us here on Brownsbridge Road. And when I walked up the hill to the street and saw it completely white, knowing it wasn't snow, but accumulation of this sleet and freezing rain that's been falling continuously for several hours now, as our meteorological team has predicted, we knew this was going to be real. So I want to tell you, too, that I checked in, and I have been continuously with Hall County 911 dispatch, with the sheriff's office, and with GDOT. And right now, they don't have any major crashes reported, but GDOT says there's good and bad to look forward to. Take a listen.
All roads are passable, but again, conditions continue to worsen. We want to remind everyone to continue to stay off the roads. Like we mentioned yesterday, the message remains clear: stay home unless absolutely necessary. I'd say if there's one place that we're keeping a close eye on, it's obviously overpasses.
And we're not far from the overpass where this Brownsbridge Road right here goes right over Lake Lanier. So just as note, in fact, Hall has several big overpasses over Georgia's biggest lake, too. Now, a couple other things that we've noticed is just a little bit of a glaze forming on the power lines and on the tree limbs out here, though nothing is sagging just yet. And as I showed here the last time I was out about an hour ago, just look at this ice layer on the roadway. I can't even penetrate it with my boot, and I've not been able to see cars penetrated with their wheels. Now, the authorities have been treating these roadways mainly with salt to give people traction and help melt the ice. The roads are technically passable, but that, guys, does not mean they are safe at all, so stay inside.
Certainly not, Doug. Doug, we see sort of a calm area there. Have you seen anything else falling? I mean, when we checked back with you about an hour ago, we saw a lot of that sleet coming down, which led to what we see on the roads. Is anything else falling this morning?
It's really just been sleet. It almost looks like snow flurries in the lights of the cameras. I'm looking back at you, but it is kind of frozen and bouncing off of my coat here. I can hear it in my ears, sort of. So that's been the main thing it is. And as you're seeing now, the wind is picking up just a little bit, too. We get gusts that are somewhere between 10 to 20 miles an hour, just my estimation. So that could factor in later on, too, if things start to sag as far as the trees and the power lines. Also just saw a pickup truck climbing the hill here just a second ago, spinning its tires. So while that GDOT official Nathan Johnston said the roads are technically passable, again, that doesn't mean it's safe, and I've seen some people going by on this hill pretty fast, so we need people to dial it down if they do have to drive.
Yeah, even in the last couple of minutes, we can see more of that sleet falling there in your live shot, so stay warm out there, Doug, if you can. Doug Turnbull joining us live there in Hall County this morning.